Hey everybody, Jackie Hu here, your international real estate expert. Make videos for buyers and sellers, giving them the tips and tricks to the real estate game. So tune in every Tuesday and Friday for more videos. Today I'm coming to you from the beautiful French Riviera, and specifically Nice, along the coastline here. I wanted to talk about Nice today and kind of give you guys my insights on why I think buying in Nice might be a good idea for you. Nice is a very cosmopolitan city that has a big tech hub and university hub as well that brings in a lot of expats, international workers and national workers and students as well. It's also home to the second busiest airport in France and the busiest cruise port destination in France. If those aren't reasons enough, check out the beautiful coastline behind me, and I'm just standing in one of the hundreds of beautiful beaches and coastlines. Additionally, there are no restrictions on international investors or international buyers, which is why international buyers took over almost half of all the higher end purchases in the last few years. All you need is a French bank account and a valid ID. Additionally, you can make great returns on the short-term rental market. If you guys are thinking about buying or selling or investing internationally or locally, please don't hesitate to reach out to the realtor who cares.